hi. Say hi. Say hi. Nice. Blow them a kiss. Blow them a kiss. Nice. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicola and I'll be wearing a wig for the first time. I don't like wigs and I always tell myself that I would never wear a wig because what if I get into a fight and the person pull the wig off my head. But anyway, that was before I have a baby. Now that I have a baby, I'm not gonna get into any fight at all. If someone wants to fight with me, I'll just walk away. They'll be fighting by themselves. I run me I run. Cause to the way me dark, I'm full of temper. Me not fight with nobody cause I need to have my freedom so I can take the best care of my daughter. How was your day and how is the new year treating you so far? Alright, so I don't know the name of this wig. It's a headband wig. It has, hold on, it has something on it to pin on the hair, and it also has a strap to close at the end. Alright, so as I said, this is my first time wearing a wig, and I've never put a wig on my head before, so I'm gonna try my best to see if I can get it right. Yes, baby. What happened? Hmm.